Hi everyone. So today is day 7 of English speaking challenge, and today I'm going to explain a very simple question, that is, what is a website actually? We use websites every single day like YouTube, Google, Amazon, Flipkart and many more. But most of people don't know how they actually works. So today in this video I'm going to explain how they actually works. So our question is, what is a website? A website is very simple thing. A website is collection of different web pages lives on internet, and each page has each page has buttons, images, videos and forms, and users interact with them. A programmer write these things with help of different languages. For example, HTML to structure a website, CSS to give it a style layout, and third, JavaScript to make it interactive. So a user can interact with websites, for example, scrolling up or down or pressing a button, action that perform after clicking a button. So when you open a website, you simply seeing code beautifully presented through your browser. Now let's see an example. What happens when we actually search youtube.com? When we search through our browser youtube.com, our browser sends a request to a server, and that server um, that server read our request, and it responds a web page, that is youtube.com. uh, Whenever we search something on browsers, our browser each time sends a request to a server, and server 24/7 active computer responds a web page or task that we send through our request. Hmm. Now next, mm, there are mainly two types of websites: static websites and dynamic. Let's first understand static websites. These are very simple, like personal portfolio, blog pages, or news websites. These websites are not much more interactive. These are only to consume data through video, with written text or images, and these are very easy to develop. Someone who is front-end developer can build up these easily. But another one, dynamic dynamic websites. uh, you have heard about Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. These are dynamic websites because these websites can change themselves as per user. Each user will see different layout, a different of post videos, because these websites are very dynamic, they are very interactive. We can input something and take something output through the system. So there are mainly two types of websites: static and dynamic. Comment me below what websites you use nowadays regularly. For example, nowadays I use AIs like ChatGPT, Git and GitHub, Google every day, every single day. Let's take a real example. Whenever you open youtube.com, you open YouTube, you see lots of web pages like home, shorts, subscription and profile or history. These are web pages, and YouTube algorithms decide what which videos to show to which user, because he collects data through its user and send response to what to show each user. And these are different communication between our browser and server regularly. Okay, so whenever we play a video, our browser send a request to server, and server play the video on our browser or app. So that basic idea: a website is not just a page, It is collection of different web pages present on internet or live on internet. We can access them 24/7 anytime by our help of browser. Hmm. In the next video, we will go deeper into front end, back end, and what is databases. This is all for today. Thank you to watching me. See you soon tomorrow. Bye.